Here we go, Talica 8, 2-speed. Oh, another gift from Shimano. Wonderful. Tons of specs. Oh my goodness, I can't even go into it. 2-speed, high efficiency gear. Oh my goodness, aluminum frames. 6.2 to 1 and then 4.1 2-speed gear ratio, weight 18.2 ounces, line capacity, aluminum. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful. And here we go. Brand new, not even open seal. I'm just gonna keep it like that. And here we are, Talica. In several different languages, of course. Irvine, California. Guys ready? And here it is. Awesome. Nice. Very, very nice. Can't turn it as fast as other reels. Can't even tell if that spool is spinning. It's so smooth. I got it to replace my old TN Trinidad 14. There's a little comparison. That's pretty close. I didn't want to get the 10 because I don't want to be too wide. But, oh man, is this sweet. 2-speed. Oh, and there's the first click, and then, of course, full. Well, it's a little hesitant. Oh, brand new out of the box. Didn't even tighten the drags. Let's tighten the drags a little. Oh, that's too tight. It's too tight. I'm going to put 40-pound braided line on here. Fish is my ultralight. It's a $400 reel. Sweet. Sweet. Two-speed. Push in. Low gear. Tighten that drag a little bit more. A little more. There we go. Sweet, brand new 2019. What else is in the box? Little compartment. Obviously, it's probably some tools. Oh, a new fancy rod clamp. Wow, tool. The other ones were plastic before, or graphite or whatever. Really nice. But if you have it on the deckhand style rods, I probably wouldn't use this. Probably get the Tiburon clamp. Pretty sweet though. And just leave it in there. Oh my. There you have it. Today I am pairing it with my pelagic series, an old G Limas rod that I love. It's a 9-foot PSR 1008 20-C. What is it? 9-foot, 15-25 pound, fast action. I'm sure it can conquer some pretty big tuna, but this is my ultra light, or my light bait setup. You wouldn't want to fight a big tuna on a 9-foot rod, but when they're picky, this looks like the ultimate combination. Again, I'm going to put 40 braid on there. And they don't make these anymore. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm really excited. That's a pretty good feel. Oh yeah. Sweet. I'm not gonna put heavy line on here, because when you cast the bait on here and you want to make it look as lively as possible, you can't put heavy line. You gotta put like 40 on here at the most. So I'll show you that later. That's a 9-footer. It goes all the way out there. 1-foot tiles. Awesome. Awesome.